It's my honor to welcome you to the Maldives Digital Summit 2026. Today is not only the opening of an important summit, it is another major step in national transformation journey that was initiated under the visionary leadership of His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Moise. Last year, President Dr. Mohamed Moise launched the bold Maldives 2.0 vision, an ambitious agenda to build a resilient, inclusive, and digitally enabled nation. It is a vision rooted in practical progress, modernizing government, expanding opportunities, strengthening institutions, and ensuring every citizen benefits from technology-driven development. This summit is part of turning the vision into reality. For a geographically dispersed island nation such as the Maldives, digital transformation is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Technology allows us to overcome distance. It allows government services to reach each and every island more efficiently. It allows citizens and businesses to access services faster, more transparently, and with greater convenience. It enables better planning, stronger coordination, and smarter policy making. This is why the work we begin here today is so important.